Hey guys, it's your boy PTC Pet, and we're gonna talk about, check it out, copy trading. We're following experienced trader, and of course, we all are the people that copy trade. You can see it behind me, like there's a guy. Okay, guys, let me show you how to earn a little bit extra. As of course, there is a way to pay out because we want to know that. There is a way to make sure that you are going to get paid out. So let me walk you through it. It is important that you set this up so you can fully enjoy the benefits of and your account, and also making sure that you're not missing out on any commission or something anywhere. So let me click this one away. Note: to verify the bank card, please upload scanned images or photos of the face and the back of your card, the card number, the first 6 and last 4 digits, the expiry date, and the cardholder's full name must be clearly seen and easily read on the images. On the face of the card, hide all digits of identification number between the first 6 and the last 4. On the back of the card, hide the CVV card code. The card must be signed. The bank cards are verified by the company's payment department employees from Monday to Friday, from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. Verification takes 2 days. As we can see here, guys, we're going to see that example of the images. You're going to see they have blocked out these numbers. They have blocked out the same numbers here. The card must be signed. This is my little girl. She's growing teeth, so she's a little bit not feeling so well. And also make sure that you block out the ZVZ code, because nobody needs to know that. For me, I'm going to be doing the WISE card front. I'm going to do the WISE card back because I've made those pictures already. I don't need to show it to you guys, but as you can see, they explain here how to do it. And because I come with a digital card that doesn't have a front, I'm making sure that I am also sending them the total card screen from the website. And then I'm going to be pressing the add card. Verification takes 2 days. And of course, this is the first time I'm doing it. You can see card number 1, it is pending. This means you can do multiple cards, and also you can make sure that you're getting some more, if you're building a team, commission from lot sizes, and you can just pay out without a problem. Payout to Visa is with, my wife had a withdrawal. It was like within 24 hours, plus the fact that she can do it like starting from $10. As you can see, we're going to make our next video showing how the affiliate commission works. We're going to make our next video showing how to follow a trader, how to subscribe to a trader. We're going to make sure that everybody has the most basic information that's out there. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. This is the first movie of many. As I am back today, let's make sure everybody's going to understand. And also, I'm not sitting behind my green screen, so that's why sometimes I disappear, because I'm just enjoying having some family time. Let's go like this. As you can see, I'm just sitting in my living room and making sure that everybody knows how to do this. So make sure to verify your cards, guys. This is PTC Pet from the Netherlands, and we're going to make sure that everybody knows how to do this. Stay safe, be blessed, and follow me in this journey of crazy money making.